In Module 1, I'm going to be answering the question, how do I create an outcome for a course or a unit? First of all, when you log into Canvas, you'll need to go to the Home menu and scroll down on the left side of the screen until you see the word Outcomes. Click on Outcomes, the course navigation, and you'll see the following screen about setting up outcomes. Click on the Outcome button in the top left of the screen, and you'll need to enter a name in this outcome field here. This is the official name of the outcome that will appear in the Learning Mastery Gradebook. I'm just going to type in new outcome for this course. If you allow students to view Learning Mastery scores on the grades page, they will see the name of the outcome. However, you may want to create a custom, more friendly name. To create a friendly name for students to view, enter a name in the friendly name field. This is an optional field. I'm going to type in learning outcome for this course. The next thing you can do is type in a description of the learning outcome in more detail. Next, you need to add criterion ratings. You can see here that we have 3 criteria: exceeds expectations, meets, and does not meet expectations, each having a different point scale, totaling 5 points. Click here on the Edit button to change the description of the criterion if needed. Once you're done, click OK. If you would like to change the points system, you are able to change the point system. I'm going to change this to 4. And to add additional criteria, you can click on the Insert down arrow mark. For example, let's not do it here, let's do it here. Let's insert an approaching expectations criteria field and give it a 2-point scale, and click delete. Click OK. So now I have 4-point exceeding, a 3-point meet expectations, a 2-point approaching expectations, and I think I'm going to change the do not meet expectations to 1 point. And I'm going to click OK. I think I'm going to also change the mastery, and that used to be 3, so now it's at 4. So to achieve mastery in this criteria structure, the students will need to achieve an exceeding expectations result. This field indicates the number of points that must be achieved for mastery. Next, in the calculation method, we have several choices. From the drop-down menu, you're going to select the calculation method for the outcome. By default, the new outcomes are set to the decaying average calculation method. If you want to choose a different calculation method, you could choose number of times, or most recent score, or highest score. For an explanation of decaying average, or number of times, or most recent score or highest score, please refer to the Canvas community help articles on the definition of these terms. Once I'm done here, I'm going down to click on the Save button, and you'll notice I am prompted with the Creation Successful prompt.